Welcome to a new lesson on the present perfect tense. So, what is the present perfect tense? Today, we're going to dive right in and explore what it is so you can become an expert. Present perfect is a verb tense used to describe actions or states that have a connection to the present. It's used to talk about events that happen at an unspecified time in the past or actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Let's review some forms. The present perfect tense is formed using the auxiliary verb have or has for singular third-person subjects and the past participle of the main verb. Have or has plus the past participle of the verb. So our first form is affirmative or positive. I have finished my homework. She has traveled to Japan. Our second form is negative. I have not seen that movie. He has not visited the museum. Here we're just adding in the word not in order to make it negative. And our third form is a question. Have you eaten breakfast? Has she read the book? Next, let's review uses of the present perfect. Actions that happened at an unspecified time before now. The exact time is not important or not known. Like they have finished their project. We don't know exactly when they finished, but the action is complete. The project is done. It's complete. Actions that started in the past and continue to the present. These often use words like since or for. I have lived here for 5 years. She has known him since 2010. Recent actions with present results. It often shows that the action has a current effect. For example, I have lost my keys. The result is that I do not have my keys now. Also, experiences or changes over time. It can describe experiences or things that you have done in your life up to now. Like I have traveled to many countries. Or he has learned a lot in this course. Here are some key words to look out for. Ever, never, just, already, yet, since, and for. Let's review some additional examples. A completed action with relevance to the present. She has broken her arm. So this action happened in the past, but it's relevant now because the girl has a broken arm, now in the present. Another example would be a life experience. I have visited Italy 3 times. So the experiences are important to me now, even though my trips were in the past. And finally, actions that started in the past and continue into the present. They have lived in this house for 10 years. So they started living there in the past, right, 10 years ago, and they still live there now. All right, now's the fun time. It's time for you to practice. The first thing we're going to do is a reading activity. You are going to spot the present perfect keywords and phrases in the following paragraph. You only have 1 minute to do so let's go. Awesome job. Here are those phrases: have visited, have seen, have learned, have tried, have made, have visited, and have decided. If you need more clarification, here are the answers. Awesome. Next, I want you to go to the comment section of this video and respond using your new tense you have learned, the present perfect tense. You're going to answer this question: what did you do last year? Tell me about something you are proud of. Go ahead, you have your timer set, so go to the comments and answer the question now. Great job. Just a quick recap. In summary, the present perfect tense connects past actions or states to the present, either because they affect the present moment or because they started in the past and continue up to now. Great job today. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. Thanks for coming to class. And just a reminder, don't forget to hit subscribe and that bell for similar videos. Have a great one and see you next time.